Hello everyone. So here we will discuss about the operator. Operator means operate karna. Operator is basically a command. Like in computer we give some commands, multiplication, division and addition, subtraction. So these are all commands. So like that commands, operator is a mathematical instruction, or or you can say it is a procedure, and that can be operate on any function so that it can transform that function to the another function. So here we have the simple equation of the operator, that is equal to a psi is equal to small a psi. So basically a is the term that stands for the operator, and operator is that kind of operation. When we apply this operator on this function, then this operator transform this wave function into the another function. So that function is multiplied by that wave function and also a constant term, and this is basically the example of a operator. So in theoretical portion we can write this equation: a is the operator and psi is the wave function, and it transform the equation into the another function. So simply this is the equation for the quantum chemistry. A psi is a small a psi. Later on we will discuss about this perfect equation. So this is basically the operator. When we apply this operator on a function, then it transforms that function to the another function. The function on which the operation is carried out, like this function on which the operator applied, it is known as the operand. So on which function the operation is applied is known as the operand, and the operator is denoted by this a term. A is the operator. So this is operator and this is operand. So this is the another function, and simply we can write this equation in terms of mathematical, like a is the operator, f as the function, and it transform this function into the another function. So we have the different type of operators which we can apply on different functions. Like we have an operator, dy dx is the differentiation operator, and when we apply this operator on this function x cube, and we all know that when we apply this function on this kind of term, like if we have x raised to power n, then this value is equal to nx raised to power n minus 1. So this is the formula of the differentiation, and this will be equal to n means it is equal to 3, and x raised to power 3 minus 1 is equal to x square. So hence dy dx, hence the dy dx term stands for the differentiation with respect to the x operator, and x cube is the operand on which the operation is applied, and 3x square is the operations, means is the another operation. You can say it is the another operation of the function. Okay, so means a operator, if I consider the another term, operator is equal to x. Operator can be in terms of multiplication, addition, subtraction, division. So here I consider the operator is equal to x and the function is equal to x square, and write down this term in the form of this equation. The above equation of the operator is equal to a, fx is equal to a is what? Operator is equal to x and fx is equal to x square. So it means by multiplying, this is in the multiplication form, so it means this is equal to x cube, then x cube is the another function. So the another function of the dx is equal to x cube if we compare this term with this above equation. So we have the different type of operators. We have different type of operator, as I have said, addition, subtraction, multiplication, linear. So firstly we will discuss, we have the addition and the subtraction operator, and means addition operator means, addition means addition of two terms, means we have to add two terms, and that operator in the addition is known as the addition operator. So assume we have the a or b operator of the different operators, means they can be of different operator and they can be same operator, means both of them they can be in multiplication and division, and the one will be addition and another will be subtraction. Means firstly here we will discuss the addition. Addition means we have the two operator in sum term, sum formation. A plus b means addition operator, and both of these operator will apply on a function and they transform that function into the another function. So it means firstly we will apply the a operator and second we will apply the b operator, and this term will be equal to af plus b f. ठीक है. So in the same way subtraction means we will depict the sign minus in place of plus. This will be equal to af minus bf. So this is the addition and the subtraction operator. So next is the multiplication operator. Multiplication operator ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਦੋਨੋਂ operators ਨੇ are the two different operator and they will apply on an operand and the expression will be equal to the another function. So here we will apply the operator very carefully. Like we have the two operators a and b operator and we apply both of these multiplication. Here is the sign is multiply and we will apply both the operator on a single function. Single function is f. So here the term the condition that must be keep in mind that if we have the two operator like a operator and b operator apply on the function f, then firstly the operator which is which corresponds to the function, firstly we will apply that operator. Like I apply the operator b on the function f and it is equal to f dash, and after that the result of the b operator function means another function, we will apply the first operator on that result. It means this will be equal to f double dash. It can be any constant value. Here I considering the simple method. So like this method we will apply the multiplication operator, and the next operator is linear operator. Linear operator means linear will be in the simple form कि if we apply the operator on the sum of the two functions, multiplication of the two function and division of the two function, an operator which is the linear, if it satisfies this the following condition, then that operator is known as the linear operator. Like I have the operator and I apply this operator on this function like alpha f function. Alpha is the constant term, f is the function. So when I apply this operator on this function, then it comes out is equal to alpha a operator f, means it apply upon this function. So whatever will the result is equal to that another function. Any value can come out. Okay. So same way the different form of the linear operator is I am applying the operator on this sum of the two functions. So firstly first operator will apply upon this function and that operator will apply upon the another function. This is the result operator a function f plus operator a function g, and alpha is the constant term, fg is the Bayes function, suppose the operator a is the differential operator. Here we will consider we will discuss the linear operator by considering the example. Like I consider कि a is the differential operator. So here we will consider कि a is the differentiation or differential operator, and by putting the value of a in this equation, in the previous equation means d upon dx is equal to curly f, and curly will be the constant term, will take out and then operator a apply on the function f. So this term will be equal to alpha will be here curly f upon curly x, and this is equal to this is the alpha term a f. So this is equal to this value will be equal to same because it will provide us the function same. Curly f upon curly x is also equal to same. So means we can by applying this equation, by applying this condition, if it is satisfied, then the operator is known as the linear operator. So here it is. Now here I consider again the operator is equal to d upon dx, and I apply this operator by considering the second equation which is equal to a operator on the sum of two functions. So here I consider the f plus g, so this is equal to, firstly it will apply upon this f and then again on g. So this is equal to curly f upon curly x plus curly g upon curly x. So we can write this equation dy dx f dy dx g. So it means we can conclude that dy dx is a linear operator if it satisfies this condition. So next is the commutator operator, and this operator is very important because on this commutative operator question always asked in the examination. So commutator operator is that operator if it also satisfy this condition, like firstly we consider the operator a and b operator is defined at this commutative operator is always defined in the bracket term. Square bracket term ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਨੇ operator ਨੂੰ write down ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. So a and b, and this can be written as ab minus ba. Always when in the examination question will come, then we always write the commutative operator in this form. Firstly in this form, then we will calculate the result. So in general the operator a and b, they do not commute. Firstly they do not compute. If they do not commute, then AB is not equal to BA. But if they commute each other, then always the result will be equal to 0. And if the result is equal to 0, then this rule is known as the operator commutative to each other. So next we will discuss the Hermitian operator and the another operator for the total energy in the next video.